One of the best-selling dishes at Ding Ding Cafe is this baked black pepper rice, also known as焗芝士黑椒牛扒飯. Let me tell you right now, if you don't try today, you might regret it later. Let's get started. Start by chopping the onions. Next, melt some butter in a pot. Once melted, add the onions. After a few seconds, add all-purpose flour. Continue to sauté until aromatic, then add the beef broth. Add some dark soy sauce. I like to use fresh ground pepper when making this sauce. It gives it a richer flavor. Now add it to the pot. Lastly, add a little bit of sugar. Even after you turn off the heat, it will thicken, so this consistency is perfect. This next part is optional, but I like the base to have fried rice before baking. Just add some eggs, rice, chicken bouillon, and salt. Once it's done, set it aside. I'll be using top sirloin today, but you can use any cut of beef you want. Just simply add some salt and pepper to both sides. Then sear on medium-high heat. Rest for about 3 minutes after searing, and then you have a perfect medium rare. If you're looking for a medium well cooked, then simply sear both sides, then cover for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the temperature reaches between 140 to 150, it should be a nice medium well. Now assemble the dish by adding rice, the steak, black pepper sauce, and cheese. If you find that the steak is too well done, then just use a blowtorch to melt the cheese and call it a day. Don't worry, I've done it, your parents have done it, and your local Hong Kong cafe has probably done it too.
係咪真㗎?
Now we place the dish inside an oven on broil until the cheese is nice and golden. Add some parsley for garnish and it's ready to go. That sauce is delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.